What to do when your tire light flashes. When you are driving, if your tire pressure light suddenly comes on or starts flashing on your dashboard, the first action and the most important, don't panic. The second action is to never ignore it. In today's video, I'll break down exactly what that tire light means, why it comes on your dashboard, and what you should do right away and how to fix it before it becomes a bigger problem. I will help you to resolve the problem with no panic and zero stress. First, by remembering that this can happen to any driver, so you will have a solution for it. This is the reason this channel is being created, to help you drive safely, smartly, and save money. Now let's dive in. So first things first, that little horseshoe-shaped light with an exclamation mark is a warning light that comes on your dashboard, and it looks like this. It's part of your vehicle's tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS. Its job is to alert you when one or more tires are underinflated or when the system itself has a problem. Now here's the key part. If the light stays solid, one of your tires is probably just low on air. But if it flashes for about 60 to 90 seconds and then stays on, it usually means something's wrong with the TPMS system, maybe a bad sensor, low battery, or communication issue. What to do next? Number 1, reduce speed and pull over safely. Number 2, check your tire pressure manually. The first thing you should always do is to check your tire pressure manually. Grab a reliable tire gauge or head to your nearest gas station and check all 4 tires. Compare your readings to the correct PSI listed on the driver's side door jamb or in your owner's manual. If a tire is low, fill it up. If one's overinflated, release a bit of air. Now, once you've adjusted everything, you need to take your car for a short drive. Sometimes the light resets automatically after a few minutes, or reset it manually. Number 3, look for visible damage. If the light's still flashing, take a close look at your tires. Check for nails, punctures, bulges, or sidewall cracks. Even a tiny hole can cause a slow leak, and that can trigger your TPMS. If you spot any damage, it's best to head straight to a tire repair shop, garage service center, to get it patched or replaced. If your tire has gone completely flat, another option is to call mobile tire repair service to come to you by considering call-out charge. Number 4, try resetting the TPMS. After checking your tires, you might need to reset the system. Most cars have a reset button under the steering wheel, or you can find it in the settings menu on newer models. If you're not sure where to find it, no worries, just check your owner's manual or look it up for your specific car model. Resetting tells your car to relearn the correct tire pressure and often clears the warning light if everything's fine. Number 5, when it's a sensor issue. If that light keeps flashing after all that, you're probably dealing with a sensor problem. Each tire has a small TPMS sensor inside, powered by a tiny battery that lasts around 5 to 10 years. When one dies or loses signal, the system can't read it, and that's when your light starts flashing. In this case, you'll need a tire shop or mechanic to scan the system and replace the bad sensor. It's a quick fix, but super important for your safety. Here are bonus tips to prevent future TPMS problems. Here are a few quick tips to keep that light from flashing again. Check your tire pressure once a month, especially when the weather changes. Keep a portable tire inflator in your car for emergencies. Rotate your tires regularly for even wear. And if your car is a few years old, ask about replacing TPMS sensors before they fail. So there you have it. The next time your tire light flashes, you'll know exactly what to do and why it happens. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tips from Tiresho. Drop a comment below if you've ever had your tire light come on and tell us how did you deal with it. My friend, don't just stop here. You need to go to this channel and see more amazing tire tips. Remember that smart drivers don't just drive. They save money, stay safer, and know more than anyone else on the road. Until next time, stay safe, drive smart, and keep those tires rolling smoothly.